Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How to Make Sweet Carbonated Coffee Blackberry Hibiscus. First thing you gotta do is you open up this kind of unsweet blackberry hibiscus and you pour it into this mug. Then after that, you pour the strong coffee into this mug. Then after that, open up this container of sugar and you put it into this mug. Then after that, you get a spoon. And it's going to dissolve. And here is your sweet carbonated coffee blackberry hibiscus. Enjoy it, thank you for watching, and have a very peaceful day. Thank you.